been established in 2007. We have all kind of panel processing machineries. We are one of the leading manufacturing in South India. We have around 2,500 customers in our factory everywhere and all over in India. We exported machines to other countries also. We have 4 branches in South India. This is a nesting CNC machine. It was used for all kind of furniture manufacturing. So it's a fully automatic machine. So we are using this nesting CNC machine for the past 6 years. So we have all over 300 customers over in India. We have a good feedback from our customers about the Hexagon cabinet vision and the ALPHACAM software. This software is very user-friendly to the customers. It is very useful for the mass production of the furniture unit. So the customer will be very happy for our machineries and the Hexagon cabinet vision and the ALPHACAM software. ALPHACAM is a very good software. We are recommended for engraving customer. When they are going for some carving works and all, it's doing some smart job in that. So it's very user-friendly also.
The main USP of ALPHACAM is that it can work with solids, so solid models, and it can drive multiple machineries from different manufacturers. The USPs of Cabinet Vision, again, it can drive multiple machines from different manufacturers, and it can go from design to manufacture very quickly, and you can also customize a lot of things in Cabinet Vision as well. So this is very beneficial for our customers.
We've been associated with RUEI Industries. We are supporting them with Cabinet Vision and ALPHACAM. And ALPHACAM is being used in the P2P and in the nesting machine and for the beam saws. Cabinet Vision is being used. Any CNC manufacturer requires ALPHACAM or Cabinet Vision for the CNC machines. And Hexagon being a very large company, they're very, very adept in machine integration with post-process, and whatever help is required is always immediately got from them.